What's up, everybody? Welcome to MoonShot Money, where we're chasing those wealth building ideas. It's been a great week for us, and I hope it has been for all of you too. Tesla is up over 7% in the last 7 days. That's huge for them. DNA Ginkgo Bioworks has been on a huge run, up 27% as of this filming, and SoFi is up almost 9%. Those are some of our largest holdings, with Tesla being our largest. That makes investing fun. Do the research, buy with conviction, and be patient for the profits. Today's video is going to be a lot of fun. You can start building your wealth today. Yes, you can start today, and we're going to give you 7 ways to make it happen. I'm going to share with you the secrets that not many people take the time to know. 7 things that can make you wealthy over time. I'm Chase, and this is the MoonShot Money channel. Are you ready? Let's go. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. We're certainly not financial advisors. How can you start building wealth today, right where you are? The first thing to do is to make an evaluation of just where you are currently. What are your liabilities? Get the total dollar amount, payment totals and balances. What are your assets and cash flow, earned income and any passive income? Now just simply do the math. Does your liabilities outweigh your assets? Or vice versa? Does your monthly income outweigh your monthly bills? Or vice versa? You've got to know this before you can begin. No matter if you're in the net worth green or red, you now know. Are you cash flow positive at the end of the month? Now you know. This is the starting point today. Just take the time to do what most people don't do. Simply find out where you are right now. Once you have the starting point, you're ready to start building wealth. Now, this is not a cookie cutter formula. I'm going to speak in generalities at first, and you'll have to make the recipe fit your circumstances. Okay, let's go. Number 1, you're going to have to increase your income. The quickest way is to start a small side hustle. What are you good at? What do you like to do? Is there a way to monetize these things? Do you need to teach yourself a new skill? What is that niche that you can feel that will add some income to your month? Everyone can do this. Just get out of your comfort zone and turn off Netflix. It's not easy, but you can do it. Now, use the extra side hustle income to pay off your smallest debt. These 2 small moves will increase your income by earning more and spending less. It's not much fun just working to pay for things you've already consumed. That stinks. Stop going in debt to buy stuff. Period. Got it? This doesn't mean you have to be thrifty all the time. If you're meeting the savings goals, you should be willing to reward yourself and splurge every once in a while. You'll feel better, and then you'll be more motivated to make more money. Number 2, save up a small nest egg of money so you can pay cash for emergencies. Emergencies will happen. New tires, new washing machine, the roof is leaking. You get the point. Just save up what makes sense to you. You don't want to have to use a credit card for this kind of stuff. Not good. All right, number 3, take some of that extra income and start buying some assets. Go open a brokerage account that has free trading and fractional shares available. Fidelity and Robinhood are the 2 that we use. Do your research and buy some shares in a company that you really like. You can buy growth stories that are changing the way the world operates, like a Tesla, or you can buy well-established companies that are more stable and pay you dividends like JP Morgan or 100 others. It's totally up to you. You can buy any combination that makes you happy. And contrary to beginners' thoughts, and this is very important, you're not spending this money. You're investing it, and it's yours forever. If you spend it on a new pair of shoes or a new purse, you get to enjoy the shoes and purse, yes, but the money is gone forever. Just pay yourself first before you buy the stuff. Number 4, educate yourself. Seriously, you can learn to do anything on YouTube these days. Learn how to bake, learn woodworking, video editing, learn how to code, you name it. Why do you want to educate yourself further? Because you can use this knowledge to open a business. That's right. You're going to be a legitimate business owner. Be strategic here though. Learn something that you know will easily generate some more income for you. Now, instead of watching Netflix, you can edit videos and maybe start a YouTube channel or start that small bakery that you always wanted to open. Here's where it gets exciting. When the time has come and you have become stretched with your time, you hire your first employee, and that person becomes a profit center for you as well. More employees should equal more profits. Okay, let's recap so far. Side hustle for more income, pay off a small debt, save a nest egg, open a commission-free fractional share brokerage account, and start buying growth stocks or dividend stocks or both. Educate yourself, start a business, and grow into employees. Not a bad start. So if you like videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and we really would appreciate a like too. It's just the way YouTube works, and it really helps us out, just like that we are always trying to help you out. Okay, number 5. This one may surprise you a little bit, but I'm going to mention cryptocurrencies here. Open a Coinbase account or maybe a SoFi account. We're not advocating a lot of money invested here, but we can't deny the crypto millionaires that have been created in such a short amount of time. Bitcoin just hit $66,000 before we started filming this video, and Ethereum just went over $4,000. Litecoin is approaching 200. We've invested in all three here. We're doing very well, especially in Bitcoin and Ethereum. There are many other cryptocurrencies that are less than a penny, less than $1, less than $10, and on and on. Do some research and put some money into amazing cryptos like Cardano, Polkadot, or any other important crypto project. And remember, you can buy these cryptos in very small pieces, so there's no reason to not just get in the game. Number 6, real estate has been very good to us. We own commercial properties, apartments, houses, resort property, storage buildings, and a 117-space mobile home park. We know a little bit about real estate investing. Real estate is sky high right now in Tennessee, so we haven't been buying anything here lately, but it might be a good time for you to be saving up that down payment on an income-producing property. Find a bank that works on 10 to 15% down with low interest rates. Get everything ready on the bank's end, along with your debt paydown plan, your stock and crypto buying, and your new startup business. Start putting money back for that property. You'll need $10,000 to $15,000 for every $100,000 borrowed. But Chase, I thought you said to stay out of debt. I did. Stay out of consumer debt. Consumer debt is terrible debt, but there's also good debt. When you rent your new property, you'll need to cover your loan payment, insurances, taxes, repairs, and hopefully cash flow a little bit each month. This way, someone else is making that payment and paying the upkeep for you. Every month, your net worth just went a little higher as your equity climbs and your debt goes down, courtesy of your tenant. Short of winning the lottery, which we have never played, there's no get-rich-quick way built for building wealth. Just be smart and let time go by as you're living your life and making a big difference in this world. Okay, number 7 is something that we mention almost every video we post, and that is the power of giving. How can you give more? Where can you give more? Only you can answer that. But let me say with all honesty, you'll never be happy by simply making more money and stockpiling assets. There has to be a deeper connection for all of us to what matters most. We give back in many ways. Tithes to our church, missions giving, community service, helping kids in many different ways, teaching, and so much more. What makes sense to you? What makes your life feel fulfilled? I don't want to sound preachy here, but Jesus said it's more blessed to give than to receive. You've probably heard this scripture many times. For God so loved the world, he gave. If you want to become very wealthy, the ultimate wealth is in your generosity. Give a little back each and every day and see if that doesn't make everything else in life feel just a little sweeter. Let me recap quickly here. Increase your income with a side hustle. Pay down bad debt and keep that rolling. Save a nest egg that makes sense to you. Invest in a diversified way in stocks, ETFs, or index funds. Educate yourself and start a small business. Invest in some cryptocurrencies. Become a real estate investor. Give a little back every single chance you get. And let the wonder of compound interest and time make you a wealthy person. Earn more, save more, invest more, and give so much more. Always remember, if you aren't interested in your money, so someone else is. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and we'll see you on the moon.